Okay, so now we're learning how to do operations with functions, and we just got this funky notation that says we're going to add f of x, which is this function right here, to g of x, which is this function right here. So I'm going to substitute f of x with the function. So we get 3x squared plus 4x plus 6. And we're going to add g of x, so that's plus 2x minus 2. And now what I'm going to do is just find like terms. There's only the 3x squared. I have just one, 3x squared. I have the 4x and the positive 2x, so that's going to become 6x and a positive 6 and a negative 2, which is going to be positive 4. On the second function, it says we're going to take g of x and we're going to subtract f of x. I'm going to use parentheses this time so I can really distinguish between the two functions. We're going to do 2x minus 2, and then we are going to subtract the f function, which is 3x squared plus 4x plus 6. What makes this pretty tricky is this negative. We have to remember to distribute it to everything in that second function. So this is going to become 2x minus 2 minus 3x squared minus 4x minus 6. So we're distributing that negative to every term inside that second function. And now we're going to do the same thing in combined like terms. I only have a negative 3x squared. Now I have a 2x and a negative 4x. So that's going to become negative 2x. And the negative 2x and the negative 8 is going to become minus 8. And that's my answer. And finally, we're going to do f of 3 plus g of 3. So we're going to do f of 3 plus g of 3. So instead of x this time, we're going to plug in 3 into our functions. So the first one is going to be 3 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 6. And now we're just going to add it to our g function, which is plus 2 times 3 minus 2. And now we're just going to do the math on that. 3 squared is 9, so we have 3 times 9 plus 12 plus 6. And then 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2. I don't know what that is. I'm going to do 27 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2. That's 49. Let me try again just to make sure. So 27 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2 is 49. Good. So our answer is 49. I want to show you that if we had just gone into this function, we already done f of x plus g of x. What if we had just plugged 3 into right here? So we had done 3 squared, or 3 times 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 4. Would that give us the same function over here? So 3 squared is 9. We're going to get 9 times 3 is 27 plus 12 plus 4. Is that the same thing? 27 plus 12 plus 4, 43. Did I do something wrong? Oh, this should be 18. That's why. This should have been 18. So if I plug 3 in, this is also going to be 49. Let's make sure. So we get 27 plus 18 plus 4. That is 49. Eureka! So either way, you could have done it.